Welcome back to Smart Tech, the channel that explores the fascinating world of agri-tech and its impact on food production. The Affron Twin combines a harvester and shaker for fruit collection, gently vibrating branches to release the crop. Its dual-grip system ensures harvesting without damage or loss. Planting saplings in a nursery becomes a seamless process thanks to the John Deere tractor and attachment equipment. The tractor carves perfectly straight furrows, automated mechanisms lay the saplings, and workers carefully secure them by hand. With a cutting width of nearly 32 feet and speeds up to 12 miles per hour, this mower operates with surgical precision. Roller shredders gently crimp stems, preserving protein and moisture, while the Siemens system manages route and performance. Not a single inch of crop is lost, even on turns. The HSMOB, paired with the Menzi muck, works in the forest like a precision surgeon with a chainsaw. The heavy-duty Seppi mulcher cuts trees and shrubs right at the root, shredding them into chips in seconds. Thanks to its hydraulic drive and excavator-compatible setup, the unit performs confidently in hard-to-reach areas, leaving the terrain perfectly cleared. This John Deere model was born for potatoes, powerful, nimble, and sure-footed. Working in sync with a potato planter, it lays tubers in the ground like on a ruler. Precision, depth, and uniformity, all scientifically tuned and joyfully executed. Ready to see the future of soil prep? The Cultus from Vaderstadt, paired with Nexat, slices through the earth with unstoppable force. Reinforced tines, working depth of up to 12 inches, and a 16-foot cutting width. An agricultural revolution on wheels. Here's Globus, a true surgical planter with navigation. Thanks to GPS, it places each seedling with inch-perfect accuracy, wasting neither time nor resources. Ideal for those who don't just plant, they architect yields. Fast, precise, flawless. It looks like a harvester from the future, but cuts rye like a high-end stylist. With a 24-foot cutting width, the speed of a tractor on adrenaline, and slicing precision like a surgeon's scalpel, this self-propelled platform glides smoothly without vibration, preserving the stalk structure. No losses, no dust. Coururier works like a motorized surgeon, neat, precise, and efficient. It handles the dirty work, cutting heads, securing them on the platform, and moving them along the belt. It's optimized for both crate and conveyor collection, ideal for high-density fields. The 942, a mulching aristocrat. With 415 horsepower, the smooth Variodrive transmission and intelligent traction control, Fendt remains nimble even with heavy implements. The Celli-rotor mulcher tears into cover crops, shreds and churns them into topsoil, creating an even, organic fertilizer layer right in place. Imagine a monster in the field. The Nexat Widespan Trägerfahrzeug. This powerful machine, with a working width of up to 120 feet, transforms the concept of farming. Its versatile platform makes it easy to change work modules for different tasks, from seeding to harvesting. Its 1500 horsepower engine and speeds of up to 6 miles per hour make it indispensable on large plots. Imagine how quickly and efficiently it gets the job done, saving you time and resources. Who said peeling walnuts is hard work? The Cadola 280ED and Cadola 180ED make it easy and fun. These machines are like nut chefs. The 280ED, with its 3-foot working width and powerful engine, handles the nuts like a hot knife through butter, while the 180ED finishes the job by peeling the leftovers with incredible precision. Together, they tackle any crop without leaving a single nut in the peel. Are you ready to see how easy and fast your crop can be processed? With a Dalbo 40-foot wide, your field gets first-class care. This roller tills wheat fields with ease, ensuring perfect soil density and evenness. With its help, every grain receives optimal growing conditions. The Dalbo works with such precision and speed that you forget about crop problems. Imagine your field in the palm of your hand, level and ready for a great harvest. Are you ready to experience the power and efficiency of this roller? The Rupak Spimaro SPRH 1-38H is a real boon for harvesting lettuce and spinach. Like a jeweler, this machine cuts every leaf with incredible precision. The powerful motor and advanced cutting system ensure a neat and fast harvest without damaging the plants. With the SPRH 1-38H, your crop will look like it was harvested by hand, but many times faster. All you have to do is control the process and enjoy perfectly harvested spinach leaves. Just look at Carbon Robotics' autonomous weeder. The future is here. This autonomous weeder robot uses lasers to mercilessly kill weeds, leaving your plants safe. Imagine it working silently and efficiently in your field, eliminating the need to use chemicals or spend hours weeding. All you have to do is watch it maneuver between the rows, clearing the ground with the precision of a surgeon. You see a high-frequency linear comb separator linked to 2 sorting systems, a vibrating drain and distribution table in addition to a 2-stage roller sorting table. They allow integral winery to delicately clean and separate berries from greens. The grapes are gently separated from the stalks by vibration. The berries remain intact, and the stalks are not crushed. On the way to the sorting table, the bulk berries pass through a screening conveyor to avoid crushing. The new PS511 is designed to quickly pick up product in storage areas and transfer it to downstream inline conveyors. The picking range is 36 feet, with a belt width of 1.64 feet for high throughput. For the gentlest possible handling of the product, the discharge height is steplessly adjustable as standard. Stepless adjustment of the conveyor speed ensures optimum adaptation to different operating conditions. Thanks to the hydraulic individual wheel drive, the machine is characterized by its increasing maneuverability and power, resulting in high productivity as well as comfortable, fast, and precise handling. The infinitely variable length adaptation allows the pickup to be moved without converting the entire line. The DeWolf RA3060 has already earned its reputation as a high-performance machine through countless hours of work in rainy and dry weather. With standard equipment and optional extras, this machine helps the driver in every possible way to get the best results when harvesting potatoes and carrots. With the roomy new Class Cab, the company has created a comfortable, working environment that is operator-oriented. Harvest and combine movement control panels and a joystick make it easy and comfortable to operate the machine itself. This video explains the installation process and the final result of cotton irrigation with smart siphons. The smart siphon replaces manual siphons, increasing efficiency and productivity throughout the cotton farm flood irrigation industry. Smart siphons connect to a 3.5-inch diameter pipe through a bank with a rotating lever and riser. Each group is activated by turning the lever from the vertical position to the horizontal position. The rate of total flow can be adjusted by inserting adapters into the riser and by adjusting the height of the head. Each of the siphon groups can be started and stopped either by pressing a button on the controller or via an app on the cell phone. One of the most common ways of handling hay and straw is baling, which allows efficient transportation and storage of the agricultural products. One of the most ingenious ways of loading the finished bales is provided by a special bale boy loader, which is fed to a bale by side-sliding grippers. The loaded bales make contact with the ground but do not fall out. Mowing and conditioning are the first and significant steps in the silage-making process. The new Kuhn FC13460 model RA will help you achieve these goals. The mowing area is constantly increasing, but the optimum mowing periods are limited, and it's important to harvest high-quality forage. Win the race against time. The Moco of this model, from a high-performance supplier, delivers significantly higher work output than conventional mowing combinations. The Top Cut Collect Weed Harvester is a technology for mechanical weed control in the case of a non-resistance problem or in the case of a chemical-free farming strategy. Weeds and weeds growing taller than the cultivated plantings are cut with a horizontal knife exactly above the top of the cultivated plantings. By cutting, collecting, and removing weed seeds, field hygiene is improved. The mower system with double knife beam and special spiral reel works neatly without spilling weed seeds. The machine is available in working widths of 29, 39, and 59 feet. The system, which consists of conveyor belts and a large capacity collection container, very thoroughly removes weed seeds from the surface. In this video, you can see a unique machine combination in operation. The Knoll Multi-Baler 1220, a combination baler and wrapper for short fibers, is combined with a tractor and front chopping system driven by the tractor PTO. This one-man operation is unique worldwide and allows users to directly chop and process corn or other products from the fields into high-density, best-shaped round bales. Multi-Baler 1220 provides high efficiency and is the right machine for every professional. This machine makes packing silage and other products simple, easy, and extremely efficient. The popular El-Ho Scorpio 550 stone picker has a big brother. The Scorpion 710 has a working width almost 6.5 feet wider than its counterpart. Well, the pickup's wider rotors significantly increase productivity. The Scorpion 710 features an electronically controlled valve block that can be used with a tractor equipped with LS hydraulics or with an optional hydraulic block. Load-sensitive hydraulics speed up hopper tipping. The large stone picker can be easily operated from the tractor cab using the control unit with color display. The control unit allows, for example, precise adjustment of the working depth. The pickup rotors sift the soil even more efficiently. The spiral pattern of the inner tines removes the soil to the side, while at the same time lifts the stones to the center. Prepare for innovations in the world of onions with the latest EuroDirect line. This is not just production, but a whole orchestration of high-tech machines. From the Devale Briche receiving hopper to the ultra-modern Holaris 3-screw trimmers. Rest assured, 4 calibrators will easily prepare onions on 5 different sizes, eliminating any possibility of error. And to finish the process on a high note, the telepackaging line and 2 mixed fillers will pack and send your onions anywhere. Such a line guarantees quality and satisfaction at every stage of production.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is what happens when Italian style meets agro-technology. Presenting the new tomato harvester model from Corima. This 2-row wonder harvester is equipped with the latest technology, having the power to handle large areas without compromising on precision and accuracy. Imagine, the harvest speed doubles thanks to the unique parallel tomato picking system. And don't worry about delicacy. Each tomato is handled with love, as Italian tradition demands. Meet the Cross 1100 Muck Spreader, your new best friend in the world of fertilizer distribution. This fertilizer spreader is designed to withstand the toughest test of strength thanks to its durable steel body and reliable construction. Power, volume, and precision, that's what Cross 1100 can boast of. The unit's dosing system is designed to provide the most uniform distribution, improving soil fertility and reducing material losses. Just think, your work can become so productive and clean that even the most capricious plants will thank you. How often do you think about how much netting is needed to keep your hay bales intact? Specialized balers from Vermeer know the answer to this question better than you. These machines are equipped with advanced packaging systems that can accurately calculate the necessary amount of netting film for each bale. Thanks to this, you save materials and protect the harvest. Let it not seem like a trifle, because it is such details that determine how successful your agricultural labor will be protected from time and weather conditions. How to turn a heap of feed into a high-class buffet? With a Pecan Biga 40-meter cubed feed mixer, anything is possible. Not just capacious, but huge. This monster loads up to 40 cubic meters of feed and does what? That's right, creates a culinary wonder, thanks to 3 double augers that churn through everything in the path. 4 hydraulic doors release the ready product as smoothly as a bartender serves drinks at a Friday party. 2 axles keep all this magnificence in a stable position, promising long service and reliability at every step. It's time to shake up your farm with a Tomahawk C12X from Teagle Machinery. This feed chopper is a real revolutionary in the world of agricultural machines. It doesn't just spread hay, it does it with such precision that even the most capricious of your bulls will be satisfied. Loading? Easy. Distribution? Perfect. With a capacity of up to 225 cubic meters and the ability to chop even wet straw, the C12X ensures that every piece of feed will be used to its fullest, reducing waste and increasing efficiency on every square meter of your land. Meet the Holmer Terrados T3, your personal chef in the beet field. If beets had legs, they would run towards such a harvester. That's because the Terrados T3 not only harvests but also gently cleans each beet like a chef preparing vegetables for a Michelin-starred restaurant. Efficiency, speed, and accuracy. That's the motto of this machine. No more fallen beets. Each one is delivered for processing in perfect condition, like a VIP guest on the red carpet. Automec new Urbex 9200. Not just a harvesting machine, but your best herb picker. With this wonder of technology, herb harvesting becomes a process of the highest precision. The Urbex 9200 is equipped with an advanced cutting system that allows adjusting the height from 1 to 3 inches for ideal plant care. Thanks to its powerful engine and wide 36-inch cutting platform, the machine processes large areas in less time, reducing labor costs. The compact design and improved maneuverability make the Urbex 9200 ideal for farms of any size, ensuring high productivity in herb harvesting. There's no need to sacrifice quality for speed if you have the Automec 8300. This combine is specially designed for precise and gentle leaf crop harvesting, equipped with a system that allows processing of up to 6 rows in one pass. With the ability to adjust the cutting height, it ensures careful handling of each plant, maintaining their integrity and quality. The powerful engine of the harvesting combine provides reliability in operation, and its design makes maintenance simple and economical. This combine will become a valuable asset to your farm, helping to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. Welcome to the fields of innovation with the ASA lift machine, which knows a lot about onions. This 3-chamber onion windrower doesn't just process fields, it does so with intelligence and grace. Imagine a machine that arranges onions in neat rows like soldiers on a parade. With the ASA lift, you're not just harvesting, you're organizing an onion revolution. And don't worry about planting density. Your new Green Assistant adapts to any condition, making your work as efficient as possible. So, are you ready to become the general of your onion army? A floating irrigation pump redefines watering methods. Gently moving along canals, it delivers water to even the most remote areas, ensuring even moisture distribution and optimal crop growth. In a Polish field, this track wheel beast operates like a surgeon. The dual helix rotor system with two 24-inch rotors delicately separates grain from straw, while the ideal harvest system automatically adjusts parameters in real time. With a 17,100-liter tank, it doesn't just move forward, it devours hectares. The Keeler Classic is a full-blown tractor-powered potato opera with dual vibrating tables, sorting belts, and ruthless precision. Not a single tuber missed, not a speck of dirt in the bin. The Kawasaki glides like it's on rails, straight through wide rows, trimming tops to the millimeter. All the trimmings go neatly to the rear hopper while the operator handles it solo. Its speed, precision, and clean finish make it indispensable in vegetable fields. Kongsgilde and Agseed rewrote AG history by setting a world record in autonomous seating. Driverless equipment worked a full-scale field with precision and consistency. This isn't just a record, it's the future. Machines handle the tasks, farmers steer the strategy, all from a tablet. This machine is a hybrid of human and automation. A semi-automatic harvesting process where the equipment does all the heavy lifting and the person only guides it. The harvester gently grabs the heads, cuts, sorts, and lays the produce right into a trailer or crate. It suits cabbage fields of any shape, and best of all, with zero waste. Fennel is a delicate crop, but this machine knows how to handle it. The Winkelrührer gently uproots it, preserves structure, and lays the vegetables in a row. No damage, no stress. A combination of a cutting head and conveyor makes the process smooth and fast. You had no idea that transplanting plants could be so easy and effective with Microbacter. This tool handles the task with ease, like a magic wand. Its sharp blades and ergonomic design allow you to quickly and carefully transplant your plant without damaging the roots. Its ease of use and reliability make it an indispensable assistant for any gardener. Watch the Pick Right HC290 pick ripe tomatoes. It's a tomato extravaganza. With a 12-foot working width and a powerful engine, this harvester turns a chore into an exciting show. Its excellent advanced sorting and peeling system ensures that every tomato is neatly picked and processed. It can accurately process up to 10 acres per hour, so your field will be empty faster than you can eat a salad. Are you ready to see your crop harvested with the utmost precision and speed? When the John Deere S770 is out on the field in tandem with the Jerringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30, sunflower harvesting becomes a real spectacle. This duo, like a well-coordinated orchestra, works with astonishing efficiency. The powerful John Deere S770 with its 450 horsepower engine handles all conditions with ease, and its innovative cleaning system ensures maximum productivity. The Jerringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30, with 30 feet of pickup, neatly cuts and feeds sunflowers into the combine, leaving behind a perfectly clean field. Just look at how easy it is to move the animal feed closer to the pens with this unique machine. Convenient indeed, and the animals are always fed and satisfied. Meet the Revolution Netmaster, the new leader in net distribution. This efficient unit mounts on a tractor front loader or mini loader, making it incredibly easy to use. The self-loading hydraulic cam lock clamping system ensures perfect net tension, whether it's standard bales or 59-inch or 75-inch high deer netting. With the Netmaster, you can work with 2 rolls, which speeds up the process considerably. Plus, it's coated in the best Revolution's tradition of durable, high-quality sandblast paint. OMC's Brush Hog is the latest mechanized solution for labor-intensive garden operations, in this case, cleaning up the garden after hedging or fertilizing operations. This center feed rake on a 3-point linkage is equipped with 2 hydraulic motors for powerful raking of even heavy branches. Its working width is adjustable up to 26 feet, making the Brush Hog indispensable for various garden types, crops, and spacing. The Brush Hog is equipped with 4 roller wheels that provide efficient raking with constant contact with the ground. This technique delivers all collected branches and material to the center of the row, ready for collection or shredding. When finished, the Brush Hog hydraulically folds and locks for easy and safe transportation. This is the 4-wheeled self-propelled AT5104 fertilizer spreader from Oxbow, which is designed to work in difficult field conditions and on heavy terrain. The technique knows how to distribute power and torque properly, while having a more than stylish appearance. The tank level can be monitored via a pilot screen, allowing for the most efficient cycle time and avoiding unnecessary driving around the field. The 8-inch loading arm is mounted next to the driver's cab and has a 160-degree reach. To achieve the best slurry flow, the machine's large diameter piping has minimal bends, and the standard 29.5 cubic foot Borger pump is specially angled. In 2023, Gould introduced the new LT Master F60. In fact, it's a combination of baler and bale wrapper. Not only corn, but also corn stover, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grain, garbage, wood chips, mixed fodder, and many other raw materials can be processed into perfectly compacted and wrapped bales. All thanks to this modern and productive machine. The LT Master F115 features a fixed chamber press and produces compact bales measuring 1.96 by 1.96 feet. It also provides customers working with small bales with proven Gould quality. Meet your friends. This is one of the best tomato harvesters in the industry. It was manufactured by Pickrite, and it was truly the right solution for difficult soil or field conditions. This machinery was designed to provide increased profitability and efficiency to its customers. Trust me, these tomato harvesters will maximize your investment. Benefits include reliable performance, clean yields, and quality operation in all climates. With the Model 190, you can harvest 30 to 50 tons of tomatoes per hour, regardless of soil and field conditions. This corresponds to excellent recovery and superior tomato varieties. You can now see on your screens how the ditches are cleared during the annual fall maintenance with the Mary Pete OJK 1.3 auger ditch digger. By the way, deep cleaning is accomplished in just one pass. The Mary Pete ditch digger is also equipped with a 200 horsepower agricultural tractor. OJK screw trenchers are the ideal tool for working on peat bogs in all conditions. The auger effectively cuts through any trees, roots, and stumps in bogs, and ditches can be made even in heavy frosts. Only one pass is required to create a clean ditch to the maximum depth. The peat is spread a long distance on both sides of the ditch and evenly distributed over the strip. How about a bit of green magic in the field? The yellow Cobra 7710T is a mower chopper that not only collects feed, but does it with the elegance of a true professional. With such power and work speed that even the fastest farmers will be envious. Don't think of it as just a machine. It's a whole performance in feed harvesting. The Cobra 7710T can instantly process huge areas, turning your crops into perfectly chopped feed. Wow, who would have thought that feed chopping could be so stylish? When it comes to rice planting, the Iseki Sane RPQ3 becomes not just a machine, but a real work of agricultural art. This model is equipped with a precision planting system that guarantees the perfect distance between seedlings for optimal growth. The 20 horsepower engine provides reliable and efficient movement on wet fields, and the unique control system makes it maneuverable even in narrow spaces. The RPQ3 can also work on slopes up to 10 degrees, making it an ideal choice for various landscapes. Meet the Amadas 9990 Peanut Combine, a true agro giant with record productivity. This machine is the result of a 20-year partnership between Amadas Industries and John Deere. Under the hood, it has a 90-liter John Deere Tier 4 engine with 333 horsepower, equipped with turbocharging and air cooling. And in the cabin? Well, there's comfort worthy of a VIP. Everything to make you feel like the king of peanut fields. Navigating the field with such an assistant is a pleasure. Even in the most difficult corners and ends of the rows, your harvest is safe. Why waste time on manual labor when you can entrust all the heavy work to the Star Roller from Flegel Agro Center? This professional unit has a unique ability to level the soil and prepare perfect beds for planting. Imagine, one pass and your field is like a picture, ready to meet the seeds. Don't worry about bumps. The Star Roller will handle them like a true maestro playing its instrument. Feel how the Linestar 9000 from Bauer transforms your agricultural activity. This rectangular field irrigation system knows no barriers, even on the most challenging terrain. Thanks to its unique correction system, it ensures the stable movement of each tower while minimizing deviations and maximizing irrigation efficiency. Superior performance combines with unmatched precision and durability, making the Linestar 9000 an indispensable assistant for large farms. With this irrigation system, every corner of your field will be watered accurately and timely, providing optimal moisture for your plants. Imagine having a personal concierge for your field who not only harvests, but does it with technical brilliance. The Cleaner 2 has a control system with precise height adjustment for cutting, allowing weed removal without damaging crops. Thanks to its powerful engine and 35-inch cutting width, it can quickly and efficiently clear large areas. And all this with an appearance that would deserve stylish applause. Meet the Holmer Terrados T430. When it comes to harvesting, this machine is a real professional. With a 465 kilowatt or 626 horsepower engine and a bunker capacity of 3,500 liters, that's 925 gallons, it ensures that your work will be done quickly and efficiently. Every aspect of this machine is designed for maximum convenience, from the full front suspension providing exceptional ground traction to the intuitive Terra Control 2 system that makes control easier than ever. Less time in the field, more time planning your next big harvest. If farm tools could win awards, the Kuhn GF 1003 and 1003 T-Series Tedders would be Oscar winners. These machines are perfect for spreading hay like you've never dreamed of. With a working width from 20 to 56 feet, they cover large areas, saving you time and effort. Durable tines and thoughtful design ensure that your hay is evenly distributed, providing quick and quality drying. With the Kuhn GF 1003 and 1003 T-Series, you can be sure that your hay will be ready for storage in no time, and you can enjoy the results of your work with peace of mind. If your farm needs a true mowing master, the Spearhead ProLine Multicut 650 is the perfect choice. With such a powerful mower, even the most unruly grass areas will be trimmed like on the best golf courses. A 21-foot cutting width allows processing large areas in record time, and powerful blades easily handle any vegetation. Working with this machine is pure pleasure, quick, clean, and effortless. With the new Multicut 650, your fields will always be in perfect order, and you'll be pleased with the result. A high-performance auger with an upgraded open discharge chute, reinforced housing, and newly adjustable axles ensures fast and efficient grain transport into large storage bins. This harvester picks peas from the ground, gently separating stems and leaves. An integrated cleaning system sorts peas during the process, minimizing crop losses. Vermeer's BW600 is a packer that turns individual bales into sealed lines for long-term storage. First, the bale is fed onto a platform where the machine wraps it tightly with a special film. Then it moves smoothly along the conveyor, thus creating a continuous sausage of bales, protected from moisture and mold. This method of packaging helps to reduce feed losses and simplify logistics. The DeWolf self-propelled potato harvester with 2 rows ensures efficient and fast potato harvesting. It starts with potato row picking, where powerful blades lift the tubers out of the soil, minimizing damage. Harvesting takes place at speeds of up to 3.1 miles per hour, and the integrated cleaning system effectively separates root crops from soil and vegetation. Wilson Supermove is a self-loading cart specially designed for efficient handling of round bales. The principle is simple. The operator simply guides the cart to the bale, and the system grabs the bale itself. Comfortable wheels ensure easy maneuverability of all types of terrain, and the robust construction guarantees a long service life, even under intensive use. Kirovet's K7 tractor stands out among its analogs due to its powerful design and versatility. With a 250 horsepower unit, it confidently copes with the most complex tasks, from tillage to cargo transportation. The hydraulic system, compatible with a wide range of attachments, allows the tractor to be quickly adapted to specific needs. Almonds and apples don't even have time to fall. This harvester finds, picks, gathers, and stacks them, already dreaming of new orchards in Spain. 2 days in a row, it didn't tire for a moment. Hydraulics, pickup system, conveyor. Everything works like an orchestra under Frumaco's baton. This load doesn't just scatter hay, it lays it down like a designer placing carpets in a luxury suite, evenly, gently, right along the bed. The hay delivery system by MH works like a typewriter, without skewing, without glitches, turning any area into a cozy mulched haven. Want to feel the earth yield to your movement? The Challenge Plow by Kel cuts into the ground with such power and precision that all you need to do is drive straight and enjoy the perfect tilling. Want to feed 30 calves in a few minutes and not sweat it? The Patura Milk Express system does it for you. It delivers up to 500 liters at once, through tubes, right into the nipples. The built-in 4-stroke engine not only heats and mixes the milk, but also cleans the entire system after feeding. Before you is a legend of the sky, now also a farming assistant. It takes off from the airfield in 5 points to irrigate fields with surgical precision. It once rescued the wounded in a jungle. Now it saves crops from heat. 1 engine, 2 propellers, and a ton of professionalism on board. Proven technology is combined with convenient and practical functions, all in the latest generation of VitaSem mechanical seed drills, to guarantee simple and precise sowing for all farmers. The VitaSem machines have been modernized and optimized to the maximum. Their proven technology is now combined with an even easier operation. And you know, this is the hallmark of mechanical seed drills from this company. With VitaSem seeders, you can lay the foundation for healthy growth of future plants. Just look at the most perfect stone fruit picker: plum, cherry, olive, and hazelnut. It's designed as a standalone unit that is simply attached to the tractor using a PTO transmission and standard couplings. The weight of such a machine is 0.85 tons. During work, it rests on the ground, and during transportation, it's carried by an auxiliary wheel. The machine is operated by a minimum of 2 workers, a tractor driver and a fruit crate picker. And what's great is that through the use of this fruit picker, the degree of cleaning on each tree is more than 95%, with complete removal of impurities, leaves, branches, and other things. Furthermore, with it, you can smoothly change the amplitude and frequency right during the workflow. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. H2-Track EOX 175 is a diesel-electric tractor that does not necessarily need to sit directly in the cab. The operator can control the machine via a special application on a tablet or phone. According to the developers, EOX means electric bull. The company is specially chosen for the name of this type of animal, which is actively used in agriculture. The transmission of the machine and the implement holder is electric. The technique is powered by a rechargeable battery. To increase the range or operating time, there is already onboard a range extender, a power source that generates energy to recharge the battery pack during operation. With 4-wheel steering, the turning radius is 31.5 feet, and the track width is adjustable from 7.4 to 10.5 feet. Kuhn has released and officially launched its new self-propelled autonomous feeder, capable of serving up to 280 cows on a livestock farm. Aura, as it's called, operates autonomously. With the help of GPS and RTK system, it's able to move autonomously around the farm, collecting and distributing feed to numerous animals. Built-in loading and weighing modules calculate the exact mix of feed additives, including grass and corn, as well as the necessary supplements and concentrates. Mixing and chopping speeds can be adjusted to create a uniform feed with a palatable consistency. The 56 horsepower diesel engine enables the machine to operate for a week in continuous loading and feeding mode, making the Aura a truly autonomous assistant. When it comes to silage compaction, the Holara Stego 285 Pro is your unbeatable hero. Designed with the highest quality and reliability in mind, this roller ensures that your grass and maize silage stays fresh and rot-free for much longer. How does it achieve these results? The secret is in its unique ability to fill with water, sand, or molasses, making it a true heavyweight among rollers. It masters the art of removing air between layers, ensuring your silage is perfect. And by the way, it works in tandem with the Holara's Viking tool, which is ideal for spreading grass in the silo. It comes standard with hydraulically folding and extendable arms, as well as optional forks. The Simon S3 CMR is not just a combine, but your partner in carrot and beet harvesting. This single-row wonder transforms the harvesting process, making it fast, efficient, and incredibly gentle. Thanks to clever digging and picking technology next to a moving vehicle, Simon ensures minimal losses and maximum crop preservation. Its secret lies in its innovative peelers, which gently remove the haulm without damaging the root crops. Thinking of increasing functionality? Try adding a central lubrication system or a debris sorter for even greater efficiency. How would you feel about your feeding process being fully automated? With Monarch's Mark V, it's not a fantasy, but a reality. This advanced auto-drive-equipped tractor independently ensures consistent and accurate feeding of your dairy herd around the clock. Forget about labor and fuel costs. The Mark V gets the job done without fatigue or extra expense. Plus, its eco-friendliness ensures a clean and healthy barn climate. Monarch Tractors continues to develop, making the feeding process not only more efficient, but also more pleasant for the environment. Have you ever dreamed of an irrigation system that cares for your field as much as you do? The Zimmatic Precision VRI makes that dream a reality. With this technology, you can fine-tune the irrigation of each zone and crop, providing ideal growing conditions without wasting water or energy. Fewer maintenance trails, less soil erosion and runoff, more yields. And it's all available right from your smartphone via FieldNet, making it easy to change irrigation plans on the fly. Add to that the exclusive constant flow technology for corner systems, and you have not just irrigation, but a true tool to achieve agronomic miracles. Make every drop of water work for you, because the Zimmatic Precision VRI is the future of farming today. What do you think happens when technology meets nature under the stars? In Romania, the XAG P100 agricultural drone soared over fields of corn that reached human height, turning the night into an arena of its prowess. The XAG P100's state-of-the-art radar and terrain adaptation technology turned it into a night guardian, avoiding obstacles without fear and protecting crops from unseen threats. Can man and machine together change the future of agriculture? Meet the Delacroix broccoli trimmer, a true technological giant that demonstrates skill and innovation in harvesting. The broccoli soldiers marching along the conveyor belt meet their master, a dual-head trimmer with not only amazing cutting precision, but also an impressive durability of 11 years. This modified machine, having reduced the number of cutting heads to 2, does not lose in efficiency, but emphasizes the company's unique approach to vegetable processing. As you can see, each head of broccoli is processed with artificial precision in preparation for shipment to the consumer. Meet Samco Systems' Cool Trailer Wagon, a masterful addition to a large combine harvester. The convenient wheeled wagon attaches to the tractor and follows perfectly alongside the combine in the field, ensuring an efficient and smooth harvest. Designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, this trailer greatly simplifies the harvesting process, allowing the combine to work more efficiently and reducing the time needed for harvesting. Thanks to its durability and reliability, the Samco Systems unit will become an indispensable assistant in any agribusiness. Meet John Deere's new Hagie STS sprayers with See & Spray's premium technology, a real breakthrough in weed control. Not only will this machine help you significantly reduce herbicide costs, saving over 50%, but it will also increase the cost-effectiveness of your operation. With its high clearance and front hybrid boom, the sprayer is ideal for different conditions and allows for effective weed control in any season. The new Hagie STS sprayers show versatility and high performance in one package. Looking for an easy and economical way to prune vines? Introducing the new Combivity series from Baling. It's a handy kit that includes a tool carrying frame and a choice of 3 attachments: the Precision Clear Pruner, the TRP, the Pre-Pruner, and the Stripper, all based on precision clearing pruning technology, which has been developed and tested by Baling for decades. Combivity helps to mechanize vine pruning fully, reducing costs and optimizing the process. The ideal solution to reduce costs, speed up pruning, and solve the problem of labor shortages, making complex tasks easier and less labor-intensive. During the first field test of the new Pluckotrack combine trailer, one tractor with forks was engaged in transporting containers between the orchard and the storage area. If there are significant distances between the picking site and the storage area, it's recommended to use large-capacity trailers and reload bins on the headland. But this is just part of the big picture. Soon, a tractor trailer will be available that can haul up to 3 empty and 3 full bins at a time, expandable to 4 bins. I'll say this, Using forks to move one garbage can in this case was a temporary measure purely to test the technique. Do you want to see a real revolution in leek harvesting? It's the ASA Lift PO335. The machine doesn't just harvest, it redefines the rules of the game by minimizing soil and leaf buildup and reducing downtime for cleaning. The dual shaking system ensures that even in the most challenging conditions, every leek stalk is perfectly cleaned. Soft picking belts and the unique ASA Lift boomerang suspension ensure that no stalk is left behind. Forget traditional methods and rely on innovation with the ASA Lift PO335, a machine designed to make your job easier and increase efficiency at every step of the harvest. Soil preparation has never been so easy and productive with a cultipacker from Collier & Miller Engineering. This specialty-built unit turns field work into a pleasant task. It easily compacts and levels the soil, creating ideal conditions for sowing. Forget about mess and unevenness. The cultipacker brings perfect order, allowing your plants to grow in the most favorable conditions. Rest assured, the efficiency and reliability of this helper will amaze you from the first use. Ready to take on serious soil treatment? Meet the C&M Tandem Disc, a monster machine that will turn your fields into the perfect planting ground. This machine is so powerful, it seems like it could move mountains. With the Tandem Disc, deep soil treatment becomes an easy task. Powerful discs penetrate significant depths, breaking up the most stubborn soil clods. You'll get a smooth and prepared field ready for sowing. No more compromises, only power and efficiency with a C&M Tandem Disc. Try the JREC 5 from Jagoda JPS Agro Machines, and you'll know what a berry frenzy is. This harvester collects the harvest so skillfully that you'll think, is it a wizard? It races across your field, collecting berries like a star gathering likes on social media. The ease and speed of working with the JREC 5 will make you forget about the old days of laborious harvesting. Let this berry pro show you what true efficiency is, and your field will turn into a real berry paradise. The Camstar Herbs Harvester carefully cuts parsley using precise blades and gentle handling for transportation, preserving freshness and minimizing damage during harvest. The Big Bale Stacker is the ideal tool for stacking large bales quickly and neatly. First, the stacker lifts the bales from the ground with the grippers and places them on its platform. Then it stacks them neatly, forming the most even and stable stacks for further transportation or storage. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The Pick Right Tomato Harvester features a unique vibratory separation system that gently removes the fruit from the bushes, minimizing yield loss. The harvester grabs the plants, trims them, and then guides them through sorting screens and brush rollers that remove foliage and small impurities. The fruit passes through vibrating sieves that separate ripe tomatoes from unripe ones. The combination of a John Deere baler and a New Holland tractor turns the haymaking process into a well-oiled machine. The powerful tines of the baler gently grip the crop and transfer it to the baling chamber, where uniform and dense rectangular bales are created. New Holland provides stable traction and speed, and its hydraulic system controls the baler efficiently. This trimmer is not just a helper, but a brain on wheels. Via Isobus, it's linked with the tractor like a pilot to a control tower. Everything is under control: cutting length, speed, height. The vineyard receives a personalized trim with surgical precision. Ever seen a harvest picked like a conveyor belt right from the field? Look from above. The drone shows the magic in detail. Workers cut the fruit, and Proveyor gently moves it onto the platform, saving miles of walking and hours of time. The perfect symbiosis of human and machine. When your rows are overgrown like a jungle, the top hedger by Afron comes in handy. This mounted unit with rotating blades neatly trims the plants at the edges, like giving them a barber-style haircut. The result? A tidy orchard, clear paths, and full control over the greenery. When pistachio harvest begins, the most spectacular moment is the shake. The tree releases a golden rain of nuts. The machine works with jeweler-like precision. No bark damage, not a single nut lost. The result? Full bins, ready for drying and sorting. Ropa has developed the new Mouse 6 beet loader with a significantly larger cab and networked workstation in a class of its own. This new model from the technology leader in beet harvesters has been given a new modern design. The exterior of the Ropa Mouse 6 already symbolizes digitization and agriculture 4.0. The panoramic cab of the modern design creates a feeling of spaciousness and rises to 16.7 feet in working mode. A new computer, joysticks, and two 12.1-inch terminals create intuitive operation. The driver's seat, with swivel seat and integrated ventilation and heating, is a visualization of technological leadership and the beginning of a new era of network communication in sugar beet loading. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland. With a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet, it's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300-liter tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work thanks to more space. The Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. The SPW power range complements the current SPW Intense Twin Vertical Auger self-propelled mixer models, designed for very heavy use and available at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The SPW power design takes advantage of the SPV model's advantages of compactness and maneuverability. The mixing tank, with two vertical augers located between two axles, has capacities from 59 to 72 feet cubed. This new series provides access to 72 feet cubed of usable volume with an overall height of less than 10 feet. The VisioSpace cab, the Kuhn Connect connectivity system, and finally, the 4 standard steering wheels provide exceptional user comfort. Kuhn has developed self-propelled silage mixers to meet the needs of livestock producers with a focus on reducing herd feeding time. Are you tired of endless battles with weeds on your farm? Tillmore offers a game-changing solution, the Finger Weeder. This mechanical genius features finger weeder cultivators with flexible poles designed to gently remove weeds around crops like green onions and cilantro. Not only does this machine reduce your reliance on manual labor, but it also makes cultivating a field more efficient and less tedious. With the Tillmore, weeding turns from hard work into a precise art, and its stylish design adds fun to the process. A real find for those looking for both quality and style in agro tools. Lakeland introduces the SG400 and SG500, revolutionary fencing systems that will make your sheep and goats rethink their values. Forget endless attempts to keep your flock confined. These systems do it all for you, giving each animal personal space and freedom. It's like an elite club for select sheep and goats with contactless entry. The SG400 and SG500 provide not only security, but also autonomy for your flock, allowing them to enjoy life to the fullest. So if your sheep start to behave a little happier, know that Lakeland is to blame. Friends, are you ready to discover sprayers brought to the market thanks to German quality and innovation, and which have become favorites among agricultural enterprises in Ukraine and Europe? In fact, these machines are the perfect combination of advanced technology and years of experience, making them leaders in spraying. With a choice of working widths from 59 to 138 feet, and a main tank capacity of up to 2,906 gallons, expandable up to 3,698 gallons, these powerful machines guarantee maximum efficiency and coverage. Each machine undergoes rigorous quality testing, receiving TÜV certification, confirming their reliability and safety of use. Meet the innovative 26-foot PowerChain 800 disc cultivator from Danish company Dalbo, your new best helper in the field. The unique diamond shape and 4 disc chains with 31 to 35 discs at a 40-degree angle guarantee a perfect cut across the entire working width. The hydraulic adjustment of the chains and the possibility to equip the discs with additional weights for depth correction make this machine incredibly flexible. And the 300 to 500 liter sowing unit allows you to combine tillage and sowing, all in one pass, with a power input of 200 horsepower. The PowerChain 800 opens up new horizons in efficiency and time saving for farmers. Who's ready to revolutionize the agronomic sector with the Rexor 6300 from Grimm? This 6-row beet harvester with a hopper capacity of 1,590 cubic feet will be your reliable partner. Enjoy the highest level of product care and perfect visibility with 653 horsepower. The new machine represents the apogee of technology for harvesting beets, root chicory, and celery. With a gentle new uprooter, an innovative Smart View video system, and a unique front FM topper, the Rexor 6300 prioritizes crop care and operator comfort. With a choice between disc and vibratory diggers and 4 topper systems, this 3-axle combine ensures your harvest is simply flawless. Look out for the Krolik PSH3 hydraulic garden platform, available with optional 4-wheel steering for improved maneuverability. This feature becomes a real lifesaver in modern gardens where narrow row spacing can create problems for bulkier machinery. With the ability to turn all 4 wheels, the PSH3 maneuvers easily between rows, making it easier for gardeners to work and more efficient. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.